definitely up there.
Wow.
No, I've heard somebody go around doing the ABCs. I heard somebody get to like M or L or like L or M in the ABCs doing that.
He did the whole thing.
I don't even know if I'd want to hear the whole
It's on YouTube.
It might be too much.
Fuck that.
Fuck that. How do you do it so long?
I don't know.
I can fake burp.
I never understood.
No!
When I was in like 4th grade, I knew how to do it.
I got
You're
some
gonna
air trapped
puke.
in my stomach. No, I'm not. It'll be all beer, and I'll just throw it up all over you. Just,
No, you won't!
there we go.
That would have
I would fucking kill you.
Dude, that sounded like you're gonna puke, dude.
Yeah, ew.
Dude,
No way.
No, that sounded like something was gonna come out for sure.
No.
You say no and then. Oh, okay.
Turn it off. Do I look like Elvis?
No.
Can you do that?
No, you don't.
Will Damien be jealous?
You probably would.
It totally,
Damien
like...
wants to learn how to do that, probably.
Really?
It's a talent.
It is.
I mean,
Amanda can't do it.
I can't.
No! Give me that marijuana! Put it on there. Put it on
You
there.
can't say that. The cops will be after you.
Cops! Smoke this, pig fuckers. Fucking pigs and shit.